Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a referral program in Webflow with Mailchimp. So let's get started. Creating a referral program is a great way to encourage your users to share your website and grow your email list. First, make sure you have a Webflow site ready and a Mailchimp account connected to your site forms. Start by creating a form in Webflow where users can sign up for your referral program. Include fields for the subscriber's name, email, and a unique referral code. You can use a simple randomized code generator script to automatically create referral codes for each new subscriber. Next, integrate your Webflow form with Mailchimp using the form action URL or a third-party automation tool like Zapier or Make.com. This will ensure that every new sign-up is added to your Mailchimp audience automatically. Once your subscribers are in Mailchimp, set up automated email campaigns to send welcome emails and referral instructions. In the email, include a unique referral link or code for each subscriber and let them know what they will get when someone signs up using their code. You can track referrals by using Mailchimp's merge tags or by connecting to a tool like Google Sheets via automation to record every successful referral. Finally, test your program by signing up with a test email and sharing the referral link to ensure subscribers are tracked correctly and rewards are applied as intended. With this setup, your referral program is live and ready to help your Webflow site grow organically through your audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.